I'll never forget this case. This will be with me forever. I represented a woman, she was 37 years old and had breast cancer. Unfortunately, there was a significant delay in their diagnosing her breast cancer. And because of that, she passed away right before the case tried. We knew that she might pass before trial, and we took what's called a videotape deposition to preserve her testimony for trial. And this stuck with me to this day because it makes you think. When I asked her a question about what she feared most as she looked forward, and this is a woman, the cancer had metastasized already to her brain. She didn't have much longer to go, and she knew she had a little one. And she said that what she feared most of all was that her son would forget her. And that did it for me. And I gave the videotape to the family so that her husband would be able to give it to her son. And later on, when he gets a bit older, he'll be able to watch it. He didn't understand. I went to the family's funeral, to her funeral. And what he said to me is, we stood in front of her casket, and I held his hand, and he touched his mom's hand, and he said, "Why is she so cold?" He was so little, he was 6 years old. He didn't even quite understand what had happened. He knew Mom was dead, but he didn't really understand what that meant. I knew that what she would want most of all was for her son to be taken care of. I couldn't bring her back. If the doctor would have done a biopsy in his office, she'd be here today, and he didn't. And I knew that what I needed to do was to try and get as much compensation as possible for her son so that he could go to school and know that his mom didn't die in vain.